We are in the Shaker building. And check out what we got. A Westinghouse elevator. Hi. Check out this awesome elevator. Oh yeah. Look at this cab, this is neat. Oh, we're going down. All right, down to lower level. Here we are at LL, going up. All right. 3 is locked. 2. Oh, are we stopping? No, it doesn't look like it. Yes, we are. I gotta stop talking over that bell. Going up.
Yep. 2. We're going to 3, but you go ahead and go to 2.
Oh, I'm just getting the video.
Oh, you're getting a video?
Mm-hmm. It's a project.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just going up and then I'm gonna go back down.
All right. Okay, échale.
I'll just stay in.
Okay.
That's cool.
Not a problem.
I just like it's just cool because it's like it's old stuff from the 80s.
All right.
Take care now.
You too.
Thank you.
See ya.
Well, that was good. They definitely worked for the building, so I'm glad they didn't end up like kicking me out or something. Look at this cab. Neat. Anyway. That's it.